Bite Me Baby is not just a catchy phrase, it's a lifestyle. Imagine a world where every meal is an adventure, where flavors collide and your taste buds are on a wild ride. From spicy street tacos to decadent desserts, every bite tells a story. It's about embracing bold choices and savoring every moment. Whether you're a foodie or just someone who loves to eat, the joy of discovering new flavors is universal. So, take a chance, try something unexpected, and let your palate explore the delicious possibilities. After all, life's too short for boring meals.